welcome back to my channel. I'm Karina Michelle and this is my pantry makeover.
Lying awake with the sound of an emptiness you left behind. Trying to sleep but the silence is haunting this room every night. I can stand to feel this way. My body's screaming out your name. Didn't wanna say goodbye to you, but you're gone. Oh, I wish the sun
seen the before, and now let's check out the after. Over here on this wall, I put up some of these little pictures of the herbs: rosemary, thyme, basil, and mint. I thought that was a neat little touch to the pantry. And if you come over here, I put white chocolate chips, stuff that I use on a daily basis. Jasmine rice, red beans and rice. As you see, I have two. My husband's from New Orleans and he loves red beans and rice with beef sausage, so I make that often. And we got chocolate chips, powdered sugar, all-purpose flour, and I put packets up here from like when you order pizza, you get like the grated cheese and the red pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, so I just added those in there. And semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I put together a little trail mix that we had left over. A lot of stuff in my pantry was expired. I travel every 6 months and it needed a makeover. So I threw a bunch of things away that had expired and were just sitting in here for years that I've never even wound up using, or it went bad or whatever, you know. So, and over here in this corner, I put all the rice. I got basmati rice, yellow rice, all the rices in there. And the children love the baked whole grain cheddar real cheese goldfish. And in this one, I put a bunch of chips, These are pretty good. Cheddar cheese crisps. They're only 1 carb, 10 grams of protein. So I try to get healthy snacks. I mean, there's some things that are not healthy, but kind of have to balance them out. But we got corn chips, Tostitos up there, and this is more snacking. We got some Chips Ahoy, not too healthy. It's more snacking, some more craisins, sunflower seeds, you know, things that I can add to. This is like the snack bin. So I love these Stroop waffles with coffee in the morning. They're really nice. They're soft toasted waffles filled with caramel, cinnamon, and real bourbon vanilla. So veggie chips. I seen these, I forgot where, Deep River Snacks, mango and habanero. Thought we'd give those a try. And we got fruity Cheerios. And this is such a good cereal, Life Cinnamon. Always have that on hand. In this corner, I added a little space for my essential oils. I am an essential oil user. I love Young Living oils. So I have a lot more to restock, but this is just what I have so far right here. I do plan on sharing that with you, my essential oils. Also, this is snacks, that's snacks. We got some granola bars, Jif to go natural, some of these apple cherry vanilla fruit on the go. These old-fashioned caramel dip they use those with apples. So you cut up apples and then use that. Some Z bars for the children. And so that's kind of the snacks. And over here is olive oil, avocado, some more olive oil, salad dressings, honey, balsamic vinegar, and Crystal hot sauce. This is so delicious. I can only find it in my H-E-B here. So, but it's great on everything. Even if you just douse it all your potato chips. Oh, it's so good. I got all the syrup, and I have these turntables here for all the condiments and just extra stuff that we have here. Some healthy macaroni, some pasta. I put all the crackers on this side, and some more spaghetti sauce. We make a lot of green enchiladas with the chicken. So soups, broths, another turntable with just condiments, barbecue sauce, syrup, coffee, stuff like that. Down here on this shelf, we have like just some odd and end things, gravy, some salsa, bread crumbs, oatmeal, some barley for soups, couscous, and my kids try to give them a probiotic supplement. Those are pretty good. That's the Wolfberry Punch flavor from Young Living. And if you ever have a sore throat, these work awesome. They're Thieves Cough Drops, which I'll get into more in my Young Living video. And so I have just some rice there. This is like the vitamin tray. Vitamin C, have Super Cal Plus from Young Living. My husband takes the superfood from Dr. Schultz. He loves that stuff. It gives him energy in the mornings. Raw vitamin C, Vitaline is energy without the calories or the sugar. Kind of gives you a pep in your step in the mornings. Then I just put some canned foods down here and some bubbly. I'm into drinking like sparkling waters, which is really good. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you get used to them, they're really excellent. Way back in this corner, we have muffaletta, the olive muffaletta salad. And if you don't know what a muffaletta is, look it up. It's a New Orleans sandwich. It's where you put lunch meat, the olive salad on like bread, big thing of bread. I make muffalettas. My husband, we go to New Orleans twice a year. We try to, and then we pick up a bunch of muffaletta salad. So this is the best kind. The Central Grocers famous Italian olive salad, home of the creators of the original muffaletta. out of New Orleans and down in the French Quarter. This is some awesome stuff. It's just a bunch of olives and it's so good. So we love that. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this pantry makeover. I will enjoy it, a nice clean pantry. Also, I wanted to share with you, this is what I wrote on the plastic. It's for plastic, glass, all kinds of stuff, but it's the Sharpie. It's an oil-based Sharpie and it works great for glass, wood, all kinds of things. So I just wanted to share that with you as well. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this makeover. I know I've sure enjoyed cleaning. Well, it was a lot of hard work, but I enjoy the after of having a nice clean pantry. So if you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.